We were in the car about 2 minutes and we saw a sign for Stuyvesant Falls, so we decided to go that way. At first we thought it was a town. Thank you, Google Maps brought us to a little park. But there's a little like lake. Is it a lake pond? I don't know. And we can hear some falls, so it's an actual waterfall. Oh, let's check it out.
I can see it too. That looks like
oh, is that cool?
It's huge. Big. It's so huge. It's sandy.
Yeah.
Oh, that is pretty huge.
Can we see all the sand?
Step high.
Can we
So
see
you
all
don't
the
get sand in
sand?
your shoes. No? Right.
Definitely not doing that.
That's cool over here. It's all shallows and stuff. Look at all the water spiders. Water spiders. They're all bugs.
What are water spiders?
Bugs.
We are going to head over this
One-lane
bridge.
and the road is closed the other way.
This is
Awesome.
something.
Oh, this is so cool. Oh, look, and you can probably see the falls. Oh, it might be a dog leg. The other way, though, look at that. Wow.
Oh yeah.
There's you can see more falls down there, natural falls. There's people behind us.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Subscribe to our channel.
Must be an old mill or something right along a river.
Now we're going back over.
That's all we wanted to do. I just wanted to drive over it.
Oh, yeah. So we have found a little mini golf place here along the way. So I think we are going to play and have some fun doing something different.
A game together. I don't have anything to say.
Me neither. So let's go play.
Got some pretty cool stuff here. Around the Lighthouse. Definitely lots of lighthouses in upstate New York, where the ocean is 200 miles south of us. And all the falls that go around. That's cool. Thanks so much for joining us today. I hope that you enjoyed watching all of these cool things in the Capital District of New York that we got to explore. I would love to see you with that like and subscribe down below, leave a comment, and catch you next time.